Autohaus. It looks so glossy from this angle.
Yeah, you bought it?
Yeah, it was on Vita.
Oh, nice.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Tier 1 Autohaus YouTube channel. Today we have the world's fastest roadster ever made. So this is the new Bugatti Mistral, one of 99, and this is finished in quite possibly one of the most unique specs so far. For those of you who do know who this collection belongs to, this is going to complement the other 6 Bugattis that he already has, and those are all finished in very, very, very unique specs as well. Now this one is his 3rd blue Bugatti and his 1st roadster. So when this car came to us, there was a little bit of scratches, nothing too crazy, but you know, no car comes perfect, and that even goes for something like a Bugatti in a bespoke one-of-one paint job. We did a 2-stage paint correction consisting of a cut and a buff on the whole thing, and that really brought up a lot of the gloss, or it enhanced the gloss significantly. Then we followed that up with a full body paint protection film and XPEL's 10 mil paint protection film. Then we topped it off with our XPEL Premium V2 ceramic coating on the entire paint. We also did the XPEL wheel and caliper ceramic coating on the wheels and calipers, of course. We also ceramic coated the interior with the XPEL fabric and upholstery ceramic coating. We also did windshield protection film by XPEL. We also did the XPEL window tint with their XR Plus 30% on the sides and a 55 on the windshield, which really gives it a very cool and unique look. So what makes a car like this hard, or harder than your normal car, is you can't just find a kit and slap it on the car. So what we do to get the most flawless finish possible is we do what's called a hybrid cut, right? So we take the patterns from XPEL and we modify them, right? So the reason being is so we use the least amount of blades on the car possible. So comes with a lot of time to learn how to manipulate and modify these patterns to get them to work the way that you want them to. But when it comes to certain panels and modifying certain parts of the car, we modified this fender so we can make it as flawless and as seamless as possible. Because when you have a car like this, let alone any car, standard at Tier 1 Autohaus, we roll all of our edges, because when you get paint protection film You don't want to see it on the car. You want it to be invisible. Essentially just one big shield or one big screen protector for your car. Now, talking about rolling the edges, why it's so important and a standard practice at Tier 1 Autohaus is because over time, if you have a hard line of paint protection film stopping right here on the body line, it's going to peel up, dirt, debris is going to start to build up on that line, and it's just going to look really ugly over time. And it's inevitable if you do it that way. You can't argue it. I've seen it tons and tons and tons of times. It's just what happens. So if you roll the edges, it prevents that from happening. So one of our top 5 frequently asked questions is, are you guys licensed, bonded, and insured? And the short answer is yes. So when you as the customer are shopping around for a shop to do paint protection film or wrap or anything like that on your car, you should definitely double check and make sure that the shop that you're taking your car to is, because if you are a Bugatti owner or any supercar owner for that matter, and they do damage to your car, a car like this or that level, it's probably going to put the shop in bankruptcy. So with that said, this customer asked for no parts to be removed. And typically what we remove to get the most flawless finish possible and most seamless finish possible is we'll remove things like mirrors, door handles, emblems, and anything else that might need to come off, but those are typically the most common. But with a car like this, it's not even worth risking. At this point my mic died, so we're going to do a voiceover, but this car features a really unique fade going from black to blue with these black ovals, and it fades all the way up to the front of the car, which you can see here. What's also unique about this car in the grille, it features the same pattern as the Devo rear end, and these have to be the craziest taillights I've ever seen. What's really unique about this interior is the doors mimic the same look as the exterior, and this black and blue interior pops. There's also a little Easter egg elephant in the shift knob. And of course we had to feature the world's most expensive carbon fiber windshield wipers. If you thought this car was crazy, stay tuned for what this car is about to get swapped out with. You don't want to miss our next YouTube video. This car is arguably crazier than this one.